If you're getting an error code restricted area or the game isn't opening in your region, here's a simple fix. You only need to do one thing. Go to the Google Play Store. Let me explain step by step. First, open the Play Store and go to the search bar. Type VPN and download any reliable VPN app. In this example, I'm using QuickVPN. Once it's installed, open the app and connect to a server with a strong and stable network connection. After connecting, try launching the game again. If the same error code appears, simply tap OK and restart the game. Now you'll notice that the error code and login issue are gone. The game opens smoothly without any problem. This method works well if the game is restricted or not running properly in your region. For instance, players traveling in Korea, India, Japan, or Vietnam sometimes face this issue with PUBG Mobile. By following this VPN method, you can easily solve it, and your game will be up and running again.